For all you guys who are looking for electric lawnmower, Craftsman 60 volt 21-inch push mower. I found them at Roses for an incredible deal. They selling them at Roses for $199. You heard me right, for $199. And if you're a senior, if you go in on Wednesday, you get an additional 10% off. Rosie has amazing deals if you can find them. They also have a Craftsman 60 volt trimmer, including 60 volt battery and charger, on sale for $99. Amazing deal. So if you go in on Wednesday, you can get both for $300 minus 10%